All right, happy Monday. Here's your rundown for Pre-Calc for May 11th through the 15th. For Monday, we're going to start section 3 on ellipses. So day 1 is center point at 0, 0. And your assignment is worksheet for day 1 from 10.3. And that is going to be due Tuesday night at 11:59 p.m. And we will have a help session Tuesday at 11 a.m. Use the code PCCosanky on Google Meet if you need help or have questions. Wednesday, we'll jump into day 2 of 10.3, and that is ellipses with the center point at HK. So we're going to move that center point left and right, up or down, so it's not always locked in at 0, 0. That homework assignment will be due Thursday by 11:59 p.m., and again, we'll do a help session Thursday at 11 a.m. Friday, we will jump into 10.4, which is hyperbolas, and we'll have the first part of the notes on Friday, which is hyperbolas centered at 0, 0. The homework assignment 10.4 is posted. You only need to do page 1 of that to start. That assignment will not be due until the following week, so it won't be due until next Tuesday. So we'll do the day 2 notes on Monday and then make that homework due. So again, 10.3 this week, due Tuesday. 10.3 day 1, due Tuesday. 10.3 day 2, due on Thursday, and then we'll start 10.4 on Friday. All right, have a great week.